In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save PowerPoint on Google Slides. This simple guide is perfect for anyone looking to transition their presentations from the traditional Microsoft PowerPoint format to the more collaborative and accessible Google Slides environment. Whether you're a student, educator, or professional, mastering this skill will enhance your ability to share and collaborate on presentations seamlessly across devices and with colleagues worldwide. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, begin by navigating to your Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud-based storage service that allows you to save files online and access them anywhere from any smartphone, tablet, or computer. To access it, you simply need a Google account. Once logged in, your Google Drive will show an array of stored files and folders, everything you've uploaded, and documents you've created with Google's productivity apps like Google Docs, Sheets, and, of course, Slides. Next, within your Google Drive, you will need to locate the PowerPoint file you wish to save as a Google slide. If you haven't already uploaded the PowerPoint file to your Google Drive, you can easily do so by dragging the file from your computer and dropping it into the Drive window, or by clicking the New button followed by File Upload. Once your PowerPoint file is in your Drive, you're ready for the next step. Now it's time to open your PowerPoint file using Google Slides. To do this, right-click on the PowerPoint file within your Google Drive, navigate to the Open With option, and then select Google Slides from the drop-down menu. Google Slides will automatically convert the PowerPoint presentation into its format, letting you view and edit the presentation in your browser. It's worth mentioning that while Google Slides does a fantastic job at preserving most of the formatting and content, there might be slight deviations, especially with more complex animations or slide transitions. It's always a good idea to go through your slides after conversion to ensure everything looks as expected. After your file is opened in Google Slides, look towards the top left corner of the screen to find the File menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu full of options for managing your presentation. This is where Google Slides collaboration features really shine, offering a variety of ways to share, publish, and manage permissions for your file. Our final step involves saving the now Google Slides compatible version of your PowerPoint presentation directly within Google Slides. Within the File drop-down menu you've just opened, look for an option that says Save as Google Slides. Clicking this option will create a copy of the presentation in Google Slides format, thus ensuring that all edits and collaborations moving forward will be in the Google Slides environment. Once this step is completed, you can confidently share your presentation with others, knowing they'll be able to access and edit it regardless of whether they have Microsoft PowerPoint or not. And there you have it. You've successfully converted and saved a PowerPoint presentation into Google Slides format. This process not only aids in making your presentations more accessible and collaborative, but also leverages the cloud's power, ensuring your work is saved and can be accessed from anywhere at any time. A few additional tips to remember include regularly checking the conversion fidelity of your slides, exploring the various collaboration tools within Google Slides, and familiarizing yourself with the version history feature. Google Slides automatically saves every change, allowing you to view or revert to earlier versions of your presentation. By now, you should feel confident navigating Google Drive, converting Microsoft PowerPoint presentations into Google Slides format, and saving them for future use and collaboration. This skill set is invaluable in today's increasingly digital and remote working environments, where versatility and adaptability with various platforms are key. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions clear and straightforward, making your transition to Google Slides a breeze. Whether you're working on an academic project, a professional presentation, or anything in between, the ability to seamlessly utilize Google's suite of productivity tools will undoubtedly enhance your ability to communicate and collaborate effectively. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips.